rising minds. Today we are going to have a look at the Hubble Space Telescope. Here are the solar panels. This whole structure itself is built by a famous astronomer. It's not only built but even named by the famous astronomer Edwin Hubble. It is actually powered by 6 nickel hydrogen batteries which provide power to the spacecraft during orbit while it flies. But it is going to fly forever. But the charge will really drain out. But do you know how it restores the charge? See, that's even what the solar panels are for. The solar panels get the sun's heat, filter the needed fuel and get it to the batteries. There are special wires which connect it to the batteries in the Hubble Space Telescope. As you can see in the text. There are also some communications antennas. This is at least about one antenna, which means it's communication antenna. On board the Hubble Space Telescope are two same S-band transmitters. Looks like there's two. So, in 1998, one of the transmitters failed in 1998. However, the secondary transmitter has kept up with the extra load by rotating the telescope to maintain communication. The radio waves converted from solid state recording system are sent to a NASA communication satellite, which in turn relays the information on Earth. There's an aperture door. The attractive optics on the Hubble Space Telescope allow it to conduct high resolution optical visualization over a field of view. The aperture door itself can be closed if needed to prevent light from external sources from entering the telescope. The length of it is 13.2 about meters and the diameter is 2.4 meters. It's about at least that tall. But it's not counted with the antenna. So the Hubble Space Telescope is truly an amazing one, but soon this will be left behind as the second smallest space telescope in the world. It is the James Webb Space Telescope, which is going to launch in something like 2021 because of the coronavirus crisis we are currently in. And the coronavirus is in 2020 if you're something like 2021 or any later. So it might be launched in 2021. James Webb Space Telescope is going to replace the Hubble Space Telescope. It could see farther and more clearly than Hubble. Well, that's another topic. My next video is going to be about the James Webb Space Telescope. So, thank you. See you next time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell.